So students, let's start our first topic, which is modern periodic table. Students, modern periodic law. What is modern periodic law? Physical and chemical properties of an elements are the periodic function of atomic number. What does it mean? It means that when elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic number, then the chemical and physical properties are repeated after the fixed interval of time. This is the statement of modern periodic law. Now, what is modern periodic table? Students, when elements are arranged in their increasing atomic number, then we get a table which is known as modern periodic table, and this periodic table is based on atomic number. Okay, now move forward. What are the features of modern periodic table? Means what are the characteristics of modern periodic table? Number first is it is a long form of periodic table. It means till now it is the longest periodic table. Okay. Now the second is it is based on the atomic number. Okay. Third is, students, if we want to study the periodic table, then we can study it into the periods and groups. Okay. Now talk about what are periods and what are groups. Students, in periodic table, 7 horizontal rows are present, which is known as periods. Okay. And here is 18 vertical columns of periodic table is known as group. So look at the periodic table. Students, these horizontal rows is known as periods. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 horizontal rows which is known as periods. Okay. If we talk about groups, there are 18 vertical columns which is known as groups. So we have 18th group. Okay. Student, period number indicates the number of shells. It means if period number is 1, it means there is 1 shell. If the period number is 2, it means there are 2 shells. Okay. Third is element in the same period have same number of shells in the orbital. It means if first period contain 3 elements, it means all these have same number of shells. Shells means orbits where electron exist. Let's consider an example. Here is sodium, here is magnesium. Okay. Atomic number of sodium is 11, atomic number of magnesium is 12. If we distribute the electron in the shells, then it becomes 2, 8, 1. And if we distribute these electrons, it becomes 2, 8, 2. It means it has 3 shells and it also have 3 shells. So both of them are present in the third period. Okay. Now consider the another example. It is potassium, atomic number 19, calcium, atomic number 20. If we distribute the electron, it is 2, 8, 8, 1. 2, 8, 8, 2. It means both of them contain 4 shells. It means both of the element is present in the fourth period. So that's why we said period number indicates the number of shell. If it is third period, then there is 3 shells. If here is fourth period, it means here is 4 shell.